Now that PractiPipe has given you all the manufacturer's catalogs you need, it's time to build piping systems with PractiPipe's robust system builder. The piping system builder is designed to generate piping and plumbing systems quickly in order to automate the drafting process. Here you can see we're going to create a new sanitary system, and we're going to use Charlotte PVC components. Now the beauty of this system is that at the speed at which you can locate the parts and pieces you want in your system, even though there are hundreds of thousands of components to choose from. There are several ways to search inside. In front of you now, we are checking the manufacturer we want to search and then the type of piece we want. We can also check parameters like material and connector type. On each click, PractiPipe is trimming down the program to find which components match your search. Notice here as we easily located all the PVC Schedule 40 pipe that Charlotte makes. To add to system, we just press the Add to System button. Next, we're going to search for an entire group of fittings by checking the templates we want to use. Note that you will only see the templates that you have allowed yourself to choose from. This way you can limit your options to only what your company likes to install or fabricate. You can see here as we choose different templates, including elbows, reducers, tees, sanitary tees, combination-wise, laterals, and any other components we want. After we've selected the templates we want, we can now search the system using virtually any parameters you need. Parameters like name, class, and especially product number truly make isolating the fittings you need quick. Here we are using product number. Remember, since all components in PractiPipe are direct from a manufacturer's catalog, if we know the product numbers, we can just select them all at once in our drop-down menu and add to system quickly. Notice here, as we are searching product numbers, we're going to look up all the available ones from Charlotte, and then we're going to select these numbers one at a time. And remember, we're only seeing product numbers available based on the searches we chose. Having this capability to see them all on a list makes it very quick to add what you need to your system all at once. Once you have selected everything you want, we just hit apply, and then we go back into our details section. Once we do this, PractiPipe puts all the components in an easy-to-read list, where we can choose exactly which sizes and types we want. Once we highlight what we want, again we press Add to System, and they have been added. Building systems on the fly is that simple. Once our sand system is built, we're going to exit out of the library and put this system to use. Now we're going to come and look at our piping box to notice we now have our new piping system added to our drop-down menu. In our piping box, we will choose parameters like size, slope, and whether or not we want insulation. Next, we choose our starting elevation and put a pipeline on the drawing. Notice as we start to draw, our system is automatically filling in couplings as we go. Now we see as we touch pipe to pipe, at this time the auto routing box opens up with the tees, laterals, and combination-wise from the product numbers we inputted into our systems, and we just pick the one we want. What you are seeing here is PractiPipe's auto pipeline grabbing components directly out of our systems as we go. If you watch carefully, you can see every elbow is automatically being generated on turns and elevation changes. Choices for tees are appearing in our routing box and seamlessly added into the line. Essentially, every mouse click you make refers back to your piping system components to choose whatever you allowed it to use, so you are in complete control of everything your auto pipeline does. Automating the selection of your components is a great time saver. Now, though using the system builder is incredibly fast and easy, if you have forgotten a pipe fitting you need, and you know it does exist in your current libraries, there is also another way to quickly add parts and pieces to your existing systems. Notice here as we're just going to the coupling catalogs PractiPipe offers. Then we scroll through our manufacturer's catalogs to the one we want and search for the parts we need. Everything is displayed in an easy-to-read format, as well as having the ability to see your components in different isometric views. And note that everything in this window can be expanded to be larger or sent to Excel for searching. Next, we're going to highlight the components we want, right-click, and select Add to System. At this point, we just pick the system to add these parts to, and we are done. You can see here as we exit out of our library that under our Sand Charlotte PVC system and under couplings, the pieces we just highlighted are there and ready to use. Having the ability to build, modify, and access systems this quick should greatly speed up your workflow.